Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the caramel ice cap. So, it's a little white balance there. You can see there's some caramel sauce on top of the whipped cream, on top of the ice cap. And I think this ice cap is supposed to be caramel flavored, so let's stick it in, let you guys know what I think. Oh yeah, extremely caramel flavored. Wow, that's like really strong caramel. It's cool because the normal ice cap has much less calories than this one. This one had like 490 or 590, I don't know. A lot of calories compared to the other versions, and that's because they add caramel sauce into it. And I think some caramel syrup in it as well, because that's a very strong caramel taste. It barely tastes like coffee. It's good though. Very strong caramel. Very, very strong caramel. And it's good. So, with normal ice cap, you get a taste of like the ice cappuccino. It's mostly coffee flavored. I like to get the normal ice cap, or the light ice cap that has less cream, more milk, and it's got a lot less calories. It's on the far other end of the spectrum where it's got a lot of calories, a lot of sweetness. But is it justified going with this option over the light ice cap? In my opinion, probably not. I really like the light ice cap. I find the milk gives it a good flavor. You know, I don't need any of these additions. Like, it tastes good enough in a light version. The caramel just makes it a lot sweeter and a lot more calories. I don't necessarily like this one more in flavor compared to the light, so that's why I said the light might not be the worst idea ever. It's a pretty good flavored ice cap. The caramel one, though, a little bit too sweet, I think. Each sip I take is literally, I'm just drinking pure caramel. That is incredibly sweet. You can see here on the bottom, like this was going down on each sip. Do another sip. So, yeah, they must have just poured literal liquid caramel at the bottom. It's really sweet. Like, this is super sugary. I don't know if I really like it that sugary. I know a lot of caramel drinks are going to have higher calories. Caramel macchiatos, caramel cream cold brews, things like that. But this is a little bit too sweet in terms of caramel flavor. So I prefer one of those other caramel drinks like macchiato or a cold brew, which Tim Hortons, I believe, has both of those. So that might be a better option than one of these here caramel ice caps. So that's just my 2 cents. I'd probably give this like a 6 to a 7 out of 10. Not the highest review, but it's because it's just too sweet. Like, this one's literally liquid caramel at the bottom. That's okay. If you really like sweet things, you really like caramel, you'll probably like this, but this is a little bit too sweet for myself. So I'm going to give it that rating there. And I do prefer the light ice cap a lot more. It's really good and a lot less calories. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. And I'll see you in the next video.